Hey, what's up everyone? All good? Well, this is a sound video of Logitech Z337 which has a inbuilt Bluetooth, and I'm gonna test that too. But before that, I want to show you this nice controller over here. It has a big nice volume control knob and the other buttons and the headphone socket around it. So this is a nice one. I like about this Logitech 2.1 speakers. So I'm gonna play some NC's music from my PC, which is already, this one is already connected to my PC over there, and I'm gonna play some music. Let me turn the volume up. Alright, so let me tell you that the sound is pretty clear and the voice is also clear, but the bass is not, that much. Well, you should expect much, more bass from this tiny little subwoofer too, but still it's okay. And now I'm gonna play some music from my mobile, because the Bluetooth is already connected to it. So this was a sound test video of this Logitech Z337, and the sound is quite good and I like it, and hope you like the video. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.